In today's video, we're going to show you how to go super slow-mo so that you can slow down your videos and enjoy every single moment of them.
I'll be honest, we could have done a bit of the slow-mo then.
Well, speeding it up because later we're going to slow it down and I'm worried about the length of the video.
Right, okay. We're not the slow-mo guys. You may look at the sub count and go, yeah, I know. We're not them. We just happen to be, you know, British.
A great British YouTube channel.
I mean, this is probably going to be the first and only episode of this series of INGAF smashes stuff.
So if you've turned up for slow-mo smashing of stuff, probably don't subscribe. I mean, subscribe anyway.
Yeah, and then decide later on.
Yeah.
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 So essentially this is born out of the fact that we've got the Sony RX0ii Mark II, which we found out today can do 1,000 frames per second. And we were like, how do we best test this? Smash stuff.
Wasn't exactly how it went.
Okay.
You wanted to shoot me with a Nerf gun.
I didn't get to do that, so maybe...
Smash stuff.
Do we get to shoot each other with a Nerf gun at all?
No.
What about like this? See, that was in the future. You hadn't realised it happened yet. What happened was that I shot you in the future and I put it in the current. See, this is all about time. This episode is brought to you by Time, our sponsor.
Our sponsor is Time.
Not the magazine or the watch. I'm sure there's probably a watch company or something.
Yeah.
But if you are from a watch company and want to sponsor us,
we'll take it.
Yeah, we'll take your watches.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
We'll have to think about it.
I've thought about it.
We're doing it?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's agreed.
Without further ado...
Yeah, thanks for turning up. It's Wednesday. Short, concise video. Slow motion camera.
Let's do this.
We're testing it.
We've got to go outside for this though. Are you right? Are you right going outside? We don't normally go outside.
Yeah. Well, it gives me a chance to stretch my legs, stand up and get some fresh air. We need to adjust the frame slightly.
Problem with being stood up.
Don't
everyone notice how short I am.
Two British YouTubers.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah.
Here in the UK.
Yeah.
About to shoot something in slow motion.
Right.
Some are saying this has been done before.
Are you suggesting we're copying people?
Okay, if you've seen Dan and Gav, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are,
oh, definitely,
please don't be insulted by this video.
No.
If anything, this is a homage to you, two more British YouTubers, the Slow-Mo Squad.
1,000 frames per second. We're going to smash some stuff.
And you be the judge, who's the better slow-mo guy? Is that what?
Me or you? Who's best at breaking stuff in slow motion? You decide.
You decide.
I decide.
That is a great intro.
All right, then, yeah.
That's almost the title for the video.
That's a good one, yeah.
This one actually has to be first. This is my prize Easter egg. I don't want it to go first, but he says it must. I'm doing this for you guys. Kiss my lucky egg. Kiss it. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1.
That was really hard to do.
A little bit disappointing if I'm honest.
You are?
Well, I mean, the smash was a smash, but it didn't smash.
It had all the sounds and everything.
It didn't really like smash. So,
Not the bunny.
bunny.
Do I have to undress it in front of everyone?
Oh god, senses.
Three, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Super smooth.
I'll give it to you. You're getting better. It was
I'm
impressive.
finding it really hard.
that emotional?
You said it would be cathartic.
Yeah, it was.
I'm struggling.
I enjoyed it. Smash!
Why is that here?
This.
Can they see that? Is that in the shot?
It's not yet, no. This is the Holy Grail.
Was there a sound effect just then?
Yeah, yeah. Whoever edits these dropped it in. So Watermelon King.
Kaboom!
Or it could be hilarious.
Could be the end of the Watermelon Squad.
I mean, there is a risk that camera there might get taken out by it. I'm going to be stood right next to it, so I could get covered. I'm putting my life on the line here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
What a mess.
That's so much better than I imagined. I got absolutely peppered.
I got smashed by the watermelon.
I mean, look back, look at it. I'm going to say that there was a lot of watermelon anger in that. You really put a lot in.
It was the end of something special.
Yeah. You're right there. You got lunch sorted though. Which is good. I mean, look. Amazing.
I've never felt so good. If you turned up here going, ooh, slow motion camera reviews, Filmmakers Club, I like this, then this is the channel for you. Thanks for watching.
So I felt a little bit sad, watching the death of that watermelon. I bought that for you.
I don't know, if you watch it back, you'll see there was this moment of joy as
I'll be honest, it was pretty cool, and watching it back makes it even cooler. You can see it split down the side. It's great.
I think we can summarise at this point.
Right, okay.
If you thought you don't need super slow-mo, you don't need 1,000 frames a second.
Who does?
It's bad enough watching back normal life, but imagine normal life where you get to smash stuff.
So, if you like to smash stuff and like cameras but don't like smashing cameras, then get this camera, smash stuff and film it, post it on the internet. There you go, we're done. And it's got a flip up screen.
Oh, the flip up screen. We didn't review that enough.
It flips up.
All in all, your thoughts with this camera?
It's a camera.
Great camera reviews brought to you by INGAF. What next? Well, hit the subscribe button just down there to find out what's coming up next. Will be Friday's video, and if you're a regular viewer of the channel, you'll know that on Friday we hit you up with a Filmmakers Club special, a tutorial.
Ooh, exciting stuff. And if that's not enough for you, make sure you sign up to our Filmmakers Club, the Watermelon Squad, on Patreon. It's our monthly club where you get access to filmmaking assets such as a copyright-free music library, presets, and pictures of Pete's head next to watermelons. All for you to help you on your filmmaking journey.
What's the time running like?
I mean, yeah, we're about at runtime, I'd say.
Okay, then wrap it up then,
Wrap it
because
up.
I am getting bored.
Oh, I'm getting hungry. So that's been our Wednesday video. Thanks for joining us on this journey of slow motion discovery.
Well, yeah, I think everyone's taken something away today. I learned that chocolate smashes best out of the wrapper. Maybe it was something different for you. AJ, what was your takeaway?
Bunnies are more satisfying to destroy than eggs.
And there you have it. Join us on Friday. You normally...
What do I do?
Thanks for watching.
They haven't put the auto cue on though.
Guys, Auto cue.
Okay, I got it, okay. That's been our Wednesday video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Dave, question mark. Okay, 3, 2.
Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Dave, you did it in caps.
I read it, yeah, I read it as it's written. That's been our Wednesday video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Dave, get rid of the dots. Well, that was disappointing.